Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you today about the cleaning out your cowl and putting on these screens from, I believe this is from Old Air Products. You can see those screens, they just go right underneath your cowl panel here and mount using the factory screws, and it's pretty decent. I mean, it's not perfect, but it'll keep most of the stuff out of there. And I think they were like $20 plus about that much more for shipping, but nice. Anyway, so I put those on and I thought it'd be good. I did clean the cowls. The problem with the cowl is it brings the air in through these. I don't know if you can see that. I got a brake pedal in the way. Anyways, it brings it in through these doors here, and then you can see, operate this door. This brings in fresh air, but this right in here, down in here, that has like a little box underneath there, and right back in this corner towards the camera, in the very back, right back there, is the hole that's supposed to let all the crap, you know, because before we put on those Old Air grills, all the leaves and stuff, when they come down your cowl, they're coming down into this little box. There's a little box under here. It's a little sheet metal box, and that fills up with crap, and if it gets too bad, eventually it comes right in through here, through your door. When it's raining, it's got nowhere to go because the hole in the back is plugged up back here, and it starts rotting out your floors, and it's going to rot out. I mean, you'll see a lot of trucks like this because this is a really bad design from GM. They should have put a screen or, you know, a grill over that from the factory. I don't know why they didn't. That was stupid. Anyways, the way you get that out is you got to get in there and clean all that mud out. So what you got to do is you push up on the hinge. So you see that? And then when you do that, you can actually get the bottom piece out. See, I just took it out, and then you pull it down, and the whole thing comes loose. Then the only part that's holding that is those two screws right there. So you can take this whole door out as an assembly. And once you do that, then you can get in there with a, well, I use my wife's T-whisk. Let me see if I got it in the car still. Yeah, check that out, guys. Mama's not going to be happy about that. But before I got it wet or anything, I took this and stirred up all the dirt. And then I used my wet vac with a series of step-down hoses. I'll show you that real quick. Wet vac. And then there is a, I just used some masking tape, put that on there. The thing is, you want to keep the curves all facing the same direction. And this is just, I don't know, it's big. 19 millimeter. What is that, 3/4 inch? And this is probably a 1/2 inch heater hose that just slipped into that. And I was able to vacuum all that crap out. Well, then after you vacuum it all out, you want to get you a bowl of water and then just dump it right inside your cowl here, and that will finish up the rest of the dirt and crap, get it all out of there. And we need to make sure that hole in the back, that little square hole in the back, is open. You can see after I dumped in all of the, oh wow, there we go. Dumped in the water, all that just came pouring right out, all that crap. So, you know, there was a lot of stuff in there, and I vacuumed up half of it, more than half, before we ever poured the water in. So, anyways, it's important to do that sort of thing to keep your cowl operating correctly and not rusting out or leaking water into your cab. So anyway, check out these Old Air Products grills, man. They're pretty good. I'd recommend them. You know, they're not super tough. If you push down right here, you know, it's going to bend away because they're just kind of laid in there. But if, so long as nobody touches any of that stuff, it will last a long time and do, I think it's going to catch 95% of the crap. So there's your tip, guys, on cleaning out the cowl and those Old Air, I believe it's Old Air grill guards or cowl grills or whatever they are.